There's an IoT, simple IoT application. Do you know that with the water meter that we have nowadays, hindi na kailangan sukatin yung tignan yung metro. But the meter reader just goes near the device, gets the reading, and generates a receipt. That is
Mm.
IoT for you.
Oh.
Di ba? So, ano pa ba? So, buildings. Buildings can have the temperature monitored, can have their energy monitored. Agriculture, hindi mo na kailangan malaman kung mag-i-irrigate ba ako o hindi kasi basa pala yung tubig, umulan pala, ah, hindi mo pala kailangan magbukas ng irrigation pumps or you know the soil characteristics of a particular place, you do not have to put more chemicals or pesticides. Yon.